Good day everybody, this is BB Venture. I'm going to train you on how to use your own plate and your carry board and your sinamay to make a simple fascinator without moulding. Just get a round plate. When you get the round plate, take your carry board. This is the cardboard, this is the plate. Take your carry board and your plate, put your plate on top of that carry board and draw it out in a round circle, or you can cut with paper. See, round circle. Then remove your plate, take your scissors, cut the cardboard out. This is what I've cut out. Then take your sinamay. You can use quarter of sinamay, or if you buy half, you will not finish using it. Then put your cut paper carry board and draw a round circle on your sinamay. Then cut it out. You can see I cut two. The reason why I cut is that so that the fascinator can have weight. What we do is that gum the two together with your ugum. You can gum it together with your ugum. Place it on top of each other. And gum it. See, gum it, trim. Now look at it. Now what we do is that create a round circle at the middle of it, small round circle, then a tail, a round circle and a tail. Then cut the tail. You can see it. Then put your ugum at the tail. You can join it together like this. Then it will give you a round fascinator shape. Then you put your wire around. You can use your cloth to cover it. You can use anything to cover it to form a fascinator and design it. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.